3.11 storage battery of EMF 8.0 volt and internal resistance 0.5 ohm is being charged by a 120 volt DC supply using a series resistor of 15.5 ohm. What is the terminal voltage of the battery during charging? What is the purpose of having a series resistor in charging circuit? Solution. Here a battery of 8 volt having internal resistance 0.5 ohm is given. It is connected to a battery of 120 volt through a external resistor 15.5 ohm. Say current is flowing in this direction. Here we see this is the EMF of the first cell, this is the EMF of second cell. These two cells are connected in a series. Here negative terminal of this cell is connected to the positive terminal of this cell. Now net EMF is given by epsilon is equal to epsilon 1 plus epsilon 2. Now here this cell and this cell again connected in series. Here negative terminal of this cell is connected to the negative terminal of this cell. Say epsilon 1 is greater than epsilon 2. So net EMF is given by epsilon 1 minus epsilon 2. Here you see this battery has positive terminal here and this is also connected to the positive terminal of this battery. So net EMF is given by epsilon equal to 120 minus 8. It gives us 112 volt. Now we know that current in the circuit, say I equal to EMF over R plus small r. R is the external resistance that is given 15.5 ohm and R internal resistance of the battery that is 0.5 ohm. Here we get net EMF is 112 volt, 112 in external resistance 15.5 plus internal resistance 0.5. It gives us 112 over 16 that is equal to 7 ampere. Now terminal voltage of the battery is given by V equal to epsilon 1 plus IR. Say epsilon 1 is the EMF of the battery that is 8 volt. Here terminal voltage is greater than the EMF of the battery. This is the case when we charge the battery. Epsilon 1 is given that is 8. Internal current is 7 ampere. Internal resistance 0.5 ohm. So we get here 8 plus 3.5 equal to 11.5 volt. Second part is what is the purpose of having a series resistor in charging circuit? The series resistor in charging circuit helps in limiting the current drawn from the external source. Here you see I equal to epsilon r plus R. If external resistance is equal to 0, it means current drawn by the battery will be very high.